Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. Last time you might have seen some of the videos I made regarding Google App Engine barfing on the Khan Academy SVN. I can show you that, I think. Control Shift T, LS, CD, workspace, LS, Google App Engine, LS, and right there, dev app server. So the command was Python. Actually, you know what? I'll just grep it. History, grep, Python. Yeah, come up with something, I'm sure. Yeah, there it is. Alright, so bang 2453 launches it. Hopefully. Yeah, there it goes. I've got the latest SDK, but the latest SDK does not support Python 2.7. Gonna get all kinds of errors here in a moment. There they are. So, and double checking, bingo! Python runtime environment uses Python 2.52. So if you're using Python 2.7, which is what I am using, Control Shift T, Python version 2.7. So I've got some problems. I can't just RPM E Python. It's funny, watch this. You get all kinds of errors because it's needed and installed. So I have gone ahead and I have downloaded. Let's grep. Oh, sorry. ls grep Python. Oh, well, that's curious. Does it have to be capitalized? Because I just downloaded it. It's right here. File open. Oh shoot, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to open the folder. And okay, so there it is. So let's go ahead and take the dive and extract it. Okay, so I'm going to extract it here. So there's the extraction, and there is the folder. So let's open this in a new tab. Now, alright, let's take a look at the README, which is always a good idea. Open with Kali, Bluefish. What's new in this release? Alright, so let's check for install. Find. Okay, to start building right away in Unix, type configure in the current directory, and when it finishes, type make. This creates an executable Python to install user local. First do su root and then make install. The build instructions. Alright, so bug reports, build instructions. Must configure it. Turn off Unix, and that's all you can do. All you usually have to do is type a few commands and sit back. There are some platforms. Okay, start by running configure, which determines your system configuration and makes a minute. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the configure. Since we are here together, we'll do it together. Curious that it didn't show up in my zip search or my Python search. Let's do star dots. Oh wait, let's try again. Ooh. I am most confused now. Why There it is. Python 2.25. Oh, I have to be capitalized? Of course. No. Is it because I have a space? No. Why is it doing that? ls? ls works. So ls, whatever. I'm not gonna. Well, I can't get into it, can I? cd python. There we go. Okay, Python dash 252 ls. Let's clear this ls. So the first thing we need to do, since we're reading the instructions, is read the instructions. Start by running the script configure right there. So /configure. It's probably going to complain and want sudo, but we'll see. Nope, seems to be fine. So while it's doing that, let's take a look at the next step. Okay. To build Python, normally you type make. All right, so let's type make. Don't need that. Don't need that. It's still chunking along here. Might take a while. All right, we'll come back with more exciting console-based hoo-ha on installing 2.52 in order to get Google App Engine running, in order to get Khan Academy running on my Fedora 14 machine. Thank you, and yeah, look at that. Look, you know what? That's curious. It picked up the favorite icon of the Khan Academy. Isn't that funny? All right, thanks, and happy computing.